President Drupadi Murmu will preside over a two-day conference of governors commencing on Friday at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Former Union Health Secretary and 1983 batch IAS officer Preeti Sudan has been appointed as the chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission UPSC. Prime Minister of Vietnam Pham My Chinh has arrived in New Delhi for a 3-day state visit to India. The Indian Meteorological Department IMD has forecast isolated extreme heavy rainfall with very heavy falls over the northwest, northeast, west central and southern parts of the country for the next few days. In cricket, India defeats Sri Lanka in the final T20 International, making a clean sweep of the 3-match series.